Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to find and manage a secret conversation on Messenger in 2025. If you want to locate those encrypted chats or enable the features of privacy, here's how to do it smoothly. Open the Messenger app on your phone and go to your profile picture in the top corner. Tap Secret Conversation under Privacy or Settings section and make sure that feature is toggled on. Once it's enabled, you will see a lock icon next to DMs that are end-to-end encrypted. To view existing secret conversation, scroll through your chat list or use the search bar to find friends' name. Look for the log icon to spot encrypted chats. Tap on the conversation to open and continue securely. Remember, secret conversations are device specific, so if you switch your phone or install the app, they won't show up automatically. If you can't find the chat, check your message request, filtered request, or even archived chats. Sometimes secret message gets tucked away there. Just tap through those sections in the menu until you locate the hidden chat chart. And thanks for watching. If this helped you to find this secret conversation on Messenger, please like the video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more social media tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.